car show today was at the Trackhouse Motorplex
in Mooresville, North Carolina.
It was sponsored by Cookout.
But I didn't see nothing about that.
We're looking for shade.
Yeah, just something like that. Y'all welcome to use the chairs up inside.
Yeah, we'll go there.
Yeah, hot dog guy's supposed to be here.
And again, then there's nothing we can. Right. Yeah.
Everybody got some fast.
They go real fast.
Probably go faster than I
Yeah. Have you seen the minivan here? That's awesome. Yeah. He tried to recruit me to be a paid driver. Yeah. That's awesome.
So as you can see, there were a bunch of Corvettes at the Trackhouse Motorplex car
Yes,
show.
so I really like the blue one from like a girl's perspective. The first thing I said was that'd be a pretty nail polish color, which I know men don't care anything about, but I like it.
Yeah, if I was choosing between these two, the red and the blue, I would go with the blue. But I'm really starting to like these orange sports cars.
It
too.
will not ever grow on me, I don't think.
I think it's because of my love of Dukes of Hazzard, just the orange from the General Lee. But like the orange on this Corvette just really pops. Like people are going to notice it.
I feel like people are going to notice you no matter what.
But then you have like this very bland. I think it's a Chevy Nova, and
Yeah, it's like boring beige mom speed. I'm
yeah,
not a fan.
like I think this one definitely needs a new color, but that is one
Yeah, it
heck of
needs
an
a
engine right
facelift,
there.
for
Very
sure.
much. And then we have this beautiful Camaro.
Now, that's more my speed. I like the black color. I like the Camaro. That's more of a me car.
And I'm not a convertible fan, but a convertible for this Camaro,
It's
oh.
real sharp. I'm also confused as why there's even a back seat in this one, but that's okay.
Yeah, 'cause it's really a two-seater car. And hello there, lady.
Hi.
And then right next to, like I said, just a ton of Corvettes. And you got one of the classic Corvettes right here.
Now, I love the old classic Corvette. That is stunning.
They're just so ornate, which...
And that dashboard is so beautiful.
Yeah, I wish some of the newer cars would take more time with their interiors than they do these days.
That's a good point. That would
Yeah.
be nice. Beautiful
Beautiful. And then, oh my gosh, the Pontiac Trans Am. So I'm an 80s guy.
This is a Jerry car.
I may have one of these someday in our garage because this Pontiac Trans Am is awesome. Got that cloth interior. Someone had to have redone this.
It is in incredible condition, so I agree with you on that. But you think we're going to have one of these?
Someday. I love them. So Miss Carolina Car Dude literally spoke this Chevy truck into existence.
I did. I was talking about how when I got my license, they had just come out, and I really liked them, but everybody talked about how ugly they were and how they're not really like a truck and all that stuff. So we were just talking about how we haven't seen them in forever. And
they weren't around very long at all.
No, they weren't. And then poof, like this one showed up at a car show after I just got done talking about it.
It was so funny. And I don't really like the green on that Mustang either. And I'm not an El Camino fan, but this one might have been the best car at the whole car show. This El Camino SS, the black,
It's very, very sleek and slick. I have to give it its props too. That's a nice looking car.
Very nice. So hope you enjoy the rest of the cars that we saw at the Trackhouse Motorplex.